The AI reporting, it's amazing. It gives us so much insight of what's happening with our drivers, trucks, loads. It's just so much data on one place, and you can view it on a daily basis, analyze it, and make your next decisions based just on that data.
We work through a lot of the processes and see how we can implement and make things quicker. One of the main ways that we've been able to do that is through the AI rate confirmation upload feature. So it saves so much time for our dispatchers. They're able to just upload that rate confirmation. Everything gets pre-filled. We're saving actually 20 hours a week by just using the AI rate confirmation upload feature. So we're able to get our drivers that rate confirmation and out on the road as quick as possible and making those miles.
We like the utilization report, which show us each unit, how much time it's utilized. Just last week we realized that a trailer has not been utilized for so long, and it ended up being at a facility that was completely forgotten about.
The AI piece of, okay, I'm looking for a backhaul for my driver, here are all my loads, and this is the best truck at the best location to take that next load, less deadhead. And the AI in the background said, okay, dispatcher, you thought that this was the best one, but over here you might want to think about this. That's super cool. I think that's just where the AI piece of this software is going to be something just unique to our operation.
Currently, the systems are changing at such a rapid velocity that if you fall asleep for just a couple of days, you're lost. Having partners that are forward-thinking is absolutely the competitive advantage. There's no replacement for having subject matter experts actually drill down and test these things. There's always a value add to using somebody, and that's why I like Alvys. Alvys has a fantastic team. They're cutting edge and they're always driving forward.